Hello, today we're gonna see how to start Heat and Glo Fireplace. Firstly, access the gas valve and usually behind a lever or panel. A visible pilot assembly, a valve control knob, and that's are the things you need. Now find the gas supply valve, look for a red or blue handle behind or below the unit. Turn the handle so it's parallel to the gas pipe. Look behind the bellow, the fireplace locks, and you'll see a pilot, light, and a spark igniter. Look for a red or black button near the control knob and press it once the test for a spark at the pilot area. Find the round control knob labeled off, pilot, and on. Push it slightly and turn counterclockwise to set it on pilot. While pressing and holding the knob in the pilot position, press the igniter button repeatedly and keep holding the knob for 30 seconds after it lights, then release slowly. If it goes out, wait 5 minutes and try again. If the pilot stays lit, push the knob in slightly and turn it counterclockwise to on. Now flip the on or off switch, wall switch, or use a remote to light the main burner. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.